Hi, I just wanted to show you how to use Screencast-o-matic. You can use this for free up to 15 minutes. I do have a paid subscription just because I at times make longer videos. You can edit on Screencast-o-matic and it's actually pretty easy. However, usually these are videos, and I'm gonna hit open, that I typically just upload immediately. Okay, so it's uploading the recorder, and then here is where, now I wear, if you can see me, I wear an external headphone mic. So I typically want to go here and just make sure my mic that I'm using is selected. Now you don't have to, you could use the default. I just prefer to do that. If you want to use full screen, you're just going to leave it on this setting. Now you can pick how much of your screen is recording. I typically just do, almost the whole screen, but again, that can be adjusted depending on what you're doing. I leave my max time at none, but like I said, if you're in the free version, you will only be able to go up to 15 minutes. For this video, I'm going to select both webcam and screen. Okay, and that will give me a picture of myself. However, typically I just tend to use just the screen, okay? And that will just show people what is going on in my screen. So when I'm ready to record, I'm just going to hit record, and it's going to give me, and I usually check my sound beforehand, but it's going to give me a 3, 2, 1, and then whatever is in my screen, and you can see it's counting down, is recording. So now I could go to, whatever I wanted, Teams, and make a video. Looks like, okay. And basically, I just typically, when I'm finished, I'm going to go and hit this stop button here. Now I have some options here. This is typically what I do the most, is I delete everything and start again. And sadly, it takes me a few takes to actually be able to use the footage straight through, because I'm not editing with this. So I do that about 10 times, and then when I'm finally happy with the video, or as happy as I'm gonna get, I hit done. And then a lot of times I save directly to YouTube. I don't want to do this now. But I have it set up so it is connected with my YouTube account. Okay, but if I wanted to save it on my home screen, or just save it on my laptop, I'm gonna do this. Now I can hit that, and then I want to give the file a name. Actually, I don't want to change the file type, but I want to say, whatever file I want. And then I'm going to publish that onto my desktop. Now, let's say I wanted to edit the video. There's a button here where you can edit, and it's actually pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it. It's not like everything. And you can add narration, and I think the easiest thing about this is adding music is really easy. And you can pick like the different backgrounds you want. And then if you go down here, it will just put the background in. It's just really easy to use. Of course, you're going to want to play around with that. Now, if you want to do other things, the thing I really like about Screencast-o-matic editing is the blur. I typically don't like to use student first names and last names unless I have permission in a video online. So I try to blur those out, and it has been a learning process. But basically, you just pick whatever point at the video, and then you will get a little square there, and this is the blur. And wherever you put it, that is what it will get blurred out. And then the duration is this blue line here. Okay, so you can cancel that. Now you can also add a lot of other stuff. narration. You can add overlays, which I really like. It does seem to take a lot of time, transitions. And again, I prefer to do my heavy editing on Filmora 9. However, all those features are available on Screencast-o-matic. Especially if you have a paid subscription, it will also save your videos online. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a huge thumbs up and smash the bell. Thank you.